One way to shake your stress and tension is by practicing of yoga. Nowadays, almost 75% of people are suffering from stress and the tension. Why do I have a stress and the tension? That's a part. Let's practice yoga for stress relief. Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsayoga. This is me Gangotri Yogin. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the best and simple movement or asana that's actually needed for everyone. Because most of people are suffering from the stress. It might be physical stress or mental. It doesn't matter. Some or other way they are suffering with this one of the disease. I can say it out. Developing a personal yoga practice that actually reduce the stress, which is important and most of people actually create for their self-development and the self-growth. For most of people, the stress is one of the daily basis. But practicing of yoga that actually engage your body, engage your breath, engage your mind and keeps you happy, keeps you fit, keeps you so healthily without making any worries or without making any stress out. Because yoga is one of the ancient practice which been practicing over 5,000 years. This is one of the best and self-development practice that everyone should do during their day-to-day life. They need to include the simple practice. If you are someone struggling out with the stress and the tension, then this is a perfect video for you. So let's move to our practice without any further delay. This video or this practice is a very light, but actually we are more focusing on our breath. So if you are okay with me, just close your eyes and do each and every movement or each and every asana that's actually calms your nerve system, that actually makes you feel relaxed and centered. Let's practice. So as we are focusing on our breath, so we need to close our eyes. Let's deeply breathe in through our nose and breathe out through our mouth. Sit comfortably. If you are aware of mudra, just hold any comfortable mudra. I suggest you to hold the chin mudra or jnana mudra. Eyes closed, spine straight. Now deep breath in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth slowly. Just allow yourself to send out all the tension and the worries from your mind and the body. Let your whole body relax here with focusing on the breath. Couple of times continue. Last one more time. Just feel the lightness in your body and the mind. While you're inhaling, just imagine you're inhaling all the positive energy and exhaling all the negative out. Let's continue with some movement of the body. Let's begin with our head. If you're fine and okay, close your eyes and continue. That's actually calms your mind and relaxes your body. Now inhaling it up, exhaling it down. Inhale, exhale. Continue a couple of times. Sending out all the tension out from your neck. Now slowly hold your left side of the ear and press your neck to the right side. Remove out all the tension of your left side of the neck and relax. On the other side, continue. Now slowly center. Let's do some neck rotation movement. Try to do it clockwise 3 circles and anti-clockwise 3 circles. Inhaling it up. Exhaling down. Opposite side. And center. Now fingertips on the shoulder. Try to touch your elbows to each other and open up. Touch and open up. Touch and open up. Touch, open up and relax. Palms on the knees. Lightly move your shoulders, making a circle. Same way 3 times, in and out circle. And relax. Let's continue with light movement of the hip by making a rotation. Come up. Get down as much as possible forward, lengthening your spine and come straight. One more circle. According to your time, you can increase this movement or some free exercises that allow your body to relax, stress, relax out all the stiffness, relax out all pressure out. Now slowly, fingertips on the mat, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now slowly relax. Now sit comfortably, center, and turn your trunk to the right side, extending your arms. Walk forward and try to touch your knee. Stay here. Now come back to the center. On the other side, twist and down. And slowly center. Let's continue with some of the cow and cat stretch that's actually allows our breath to flow nicely on your back. Now, table pose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and Shashankasana. Here, breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. If you are someone finding it difficult in the child pose, just open your knees apart and try to stay there. And slowly get into the table pose. Walk your knees one step back, palms one step forward, and give a nice puppy stretch. Slowly back to center. Rest in Shashankasana. And come back. Now get into the downward facing dog, the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Walk yourself forward to Uttanasana Sthiti. Legs apart. Lock your elbows and stay here. As your head is pointing downward, the inversion pose, your blood circulation will be sending to your brain, where you find so calm and relaxed. Try to take a breath long and deep. And slowly catch your ankles. Just raise, knees stretch straight. Stay there. Inhale. Now slowly palms back on the mat. Walk your legs back to Adho Mukha. Now walk forward to Sukhasana Sthiti. Just hug your legs and lie down. Bend your left leg, left sole on the right knee, twisting your left leg to the right side, locking the knee and twist. Now slowly center. On the other side, continue same way. Now relax. Bend your both legs and continue with Supta Kapurtasana. and down, and stay here. Press your legs as much as possible. Breathe normal here. Or this pose as long as possible. Slowly center. On the other side, continue same way. Slowly relax. Bend your both legs, the sole pointing upward. Catch your foot and press your knees. Stay here in Ananda Balasana, the happy baby pose. Now lightly roll movement. 5 to 6 times. This allows you to send out any sort of stress, any sort of tension out from your back. And this is one of the best movements I can say to send out a pain on your lower back, a superb massaging pose. Slowly relax, legs down. If you have a time, just do a Shavasana for a few minutes and end your practice. The great weapon against the stress is a yoga. Just practice yoga every day. Say goodbye for everything. Don't focus on only asana, just focus for your pranayama practice, everything. Yoga asana is not only the yoga, it's just a part in the yoga. Just practice everything. Focus on your physical body, focus on your breath, and focus on your mentally also. That's very important. With this positive note, I'll be back with another video. Please do comment on the comment section how was the experience with me practicing today, and take care. Have a great day. Namaste.